have a very close relationship with Gulfcraft, and I believe one of most successful distributors between all of them, because we're selling quite well, especially in Qatar. Most important advantage of Gulfcraft Majesty yachts that you can customize your product. So we can see many samples of Majesty yachts that exclusively you have, different products, each boat different from another.
Gulfcraft is a very well-known brand in GCC, and everybody know about the Silvercraft and the Oryx, and it's very popular in our area.
Qatar is a small market at the moment, but it's growing. It really has a fast temps to grow. So that's why this region is just a start, So now we can see how marinas are filling with the new boats, and most of these new boats from Gulfcraft.